In this video, I am going to share the latest Gummysearch coupon code, which will give you a flat 10% discount on your order. To get started, simply head over to Gummysearch using the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you need to sign up or log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see an interface like this. Right now, I am using a free plan. To upgrade the account, we only need to go to this account option on the left menu. Next, click on this Browse Paid Plan option. Here, you'll see all the pricing plans of Gummysearch. I personally recommend to go ahead with the Pro plan, as it contains all the features that you'll need. Once you select your plan, it will take you to the checkout page. Here, under the Add Promo Code section, you need to add this coupon code. The coupon code is GS10, and it will give you a 10% discount on your order. If you want to save big amounts on your purchase, then I recommend to go ahead with the annual plan. The annual plan will give you an extra 33% discount. On top of that, you'll get a 10% discount on your yearly plan, which will save you a lot of money. Of course, if you are not sure about the paid plan, you can buy a day pass from here. The day pass will give you all the features of Gummysearch for one day. You can try all the features of this tool and then decide which plan will be the best for you. And if you want to support this channel, make sure to use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.